Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today we are presenting some ideas on DIY lighting. If you are looking to add a touch of creativity and personality to your living space, consider incorporating some DIY lighting. Not only will these projects brighten up your home, but they will also serve as a unique eye-catching decorative element. Here are some creative DIY lighting ideas to inspire your next project. Number 1. Mason jar chandeliers. Transform ordinary mason jars into stunning chandeliers. Attach the jars to a wooden or metal frame and insert pendant light kits into each jar. You can paint the jar or add decorative elements like beads or ribbons to match your style. Number 2. Twig lights. Bring a rustic and enchanting feel to your space with twig lights. Collect small branches and twigs and wrap them with string lights. Arrange them in a vase, hang them from the ceiling, or create a wall-mounted art piece with these whimsical and nature-inspired lights. Number 3. Bottle pendant light. Repurpose glass bottles into unique pendant lights. Remove the labels and attach pendant light kits to the bottle openings. You can experiment with different bottle shapes, sizes, and colors to create a personalized lighting fixture. Number 4. Cloud lamps. Create a dreamy and ethereal atmosphere with cloud lamps. Cut out cloud-shaped frames from foam boards or cardboard and cover them with cotton ball padding or polyester fiber film. Insert LED strips inside the cloud frames and suspend them from the ceiling for a soft and magical light effect. Number 5. Globe string light chandelier. Create a stunning chandelier using globe string lights. Take a wire wreath frame or metal hook and wrap the globe lights around it. Hang the chandelier in dining area or outdoor space to add a warm and inviting glow. Number 6. Bookshelf lighting. Illuminate your bookshelf with DIY lighting. Attach LED strip lights to the back of the shelves to create soft and subtle glow. This will not only highlight your book collection, but also add a cozy ambience to the room. Number 7. Paper cup lights. Make playful and colorful lights using paper cups. Cut out patterns or shapes on the cups and insert LED tea lights or string lights inside. Hang them from a string or place them on a table to create a cheerful and vibrant lighting display. Number 8. Vintage camera lamp. Repurpose an old vintage camera into a unique lamp. Remove the camera's internal components, replace them with light fixtures, and attach a lampshade. This project will add a retro and artistic touch to any space. Number 9. Clothespin fairy lights. Give your fairy lights a whimsical twist with clothespins. Clip clothespins onto the string lights and attach photos, cards, or small decorative items to the clips. Hang them along a wall or across a room for a personalized and charming lighting display. Number 10. Wine cork lights. Save your wine corks and turn them into decorative lights. Drill a small hole into each cork and insert LED string lights. Place them in a glass jar or a bottle and watch the lights shine through the corks, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. These creative DIY lighting ideas offer endless possibilities for adding a personal touch to your living space. Enjoy the process of creating your own unique lighting fixtures and let them illuminate your home with style and flair. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.